Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to your GK class. Myself, Miss Aisha Ijaz. Let's have a look on message of the day. Your message of the day is: one who maintains cleanliness keeps away diseases. So if you want to be healthy and free of diseases, you should keep yourself neat and clean. Let's move on towards our topic. Today, our topic is staying safe. Before moving on towards our lesson, let's have a look on objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to describe road safety rules and home safety rules. Let's move on. Dear students, there is a wise saying, look before you leap. This tells us that we have to think carefully before doing anything. We have to look where we are going, what we are doing, or what we are saying. So dear students, do you know about accidents and why accidents happen? Accidents happen because of carelessness. Many accidents need not happen at all if we are careful. So we should be careful while we are on road. Let's discuss some road safety rules. Your first rule is: be careful where you play. You should not play on the road or on those places where there are chances of getting hurt. The second rule is: don't go out alone on the road. You should always go with some elder person while you are going on the road. The next rule is: cross the road at the zebra crossing. Always pay attention to road signs and look right, then left, and then right again before you cross the road. So dear students, these are the road safety rules. Let's discuss some home safety rules. Your first home safety rule is: never leave things lying around on the floor. You may trip or slip on them. So whenever you play at home, you should make sure to put your toys aside so that you won't slip on them. The next rule is: what do you see in these pictures to class? Yes, never play with matches. You must burn yourself. It's very dangerous to play with matches. The next rule is: never touch bare wires or the metal part of electrical items. These items are very dangerous and electric shock can kill. So beware not to touch such type of things. Also, there are some more things you won't touch, like medicines. You should not touch the medicines, they can harm you. Knives, they can also harm you, so don't touch the knives. And the cutter or scissor, all these things can harm you, so don't touch these things. Let's recap our today's lesson. I will ask some questions from you and you people will answer me. Your first question is: should we play on the road? No, we should not play on the road. Your second question is: where we should cross the road? Yes, We should cross the road on zebra crossing. Your third question is, what can an electric shock do? Yes, to class, an electric shock can kill us. Now, dear students, your home assignment is, what are the safety rules in the playground? Write 5 lines on it. Today in our lesson, we have discussed some road safety rules and home safety rules. You people will write the safety rules in the playground. What safety rules should we adopt while playing in the playground? This was our today's lesson, dear students. I hope all of you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you so much.